Let's start learning.
Hi everyone! Say hello to Percival Pencil. Percival wants to learn about pictographs. A pictograph is a type of graph that uses pictures or symbols to represent data. It's a great way to show data in a way that's easy to read. Percival wonders, what do we do first? Well, the first thing we want to do is to choose a topic. That will tell us what data we want to show or represent. Remember, data is information. What data do we want to represent? Well, we might want to create a pictograph of the number of different animals in a zoo. We might want a graph that shows the number of books that each student in your class has read. Or we might want a graph that shows the number of goals scored by a favorite sports team in a season. Okay, says Percival, let's do the number of books read by students in a class. Great. Once we've chosen our topic, we need to collect our data. This may involve counting, surveying, or researching. We'll survey the class. We'll ask the question, how many books have you read this month? Here's the answers we got. 6 students responded. Sally read 10 books. Eddie read 6 books. Juanita read 4 books. Naeem read 8 books. Tamira read 6 books. And Charles read 2 books. We'll set up a tally chart to show our results. Name the tally chart Books Read. Create columns, 1 for each student, and add tally marks for the number of books read. Great, says Percival. What's next? Well, next we choose a picture or symbol to represent our data. The picture or symbol should be something that is easy to understand and that fits the topic. Since we're talking about books, let's use a book for our symbol. Now that we have the symbol, let's decide on a scale. The scale means how many pieces of data are represented by each symbol. We can use any scale, but 2 might be good. This scale, 1 book equals 1 book read, or this scale, 1 book equals 2 books read. Look at our tally chart. Since all the numbers are even, let's use 1 book picture stands for 2 books. Percival, now it's time to create our pictograph. Let's draw a box. This will be the graph. We'll give it a title. Books read by the class. We'll have 6 rows with 2 columns each. 1 row for each student. 1 column for the student names, and 1 column for the pictures of books. Down the left-hand side, the y-axis, we'll write a label. It will say, Students. On the x-axis, or across the bottom, we'll add another label. It will say, Books Read. Then we'll use our tally chart to add pictures of the books. Remember, each book stands for 2 books read. Sally read 10 books. She gets 5 book pictures. Eddie read 6 books. He gets 3 book pictures. Juanita read 4 books. She gets 2 book pictures. Naeem read 8 books. He gets 4 book pictures. Tamira read 6 books. She gets 3 book pictures. And Charles read 2 books. He gets 1 book picture. Are we done? Asked Percival. Nope. The last step is to add a key to our pictograph. The key explains what each picture or symbol represents. There we go.
Let's review.
Let's review the steps Percival took. First, choose a topic. Next, gather data. Third, create a tally chart. Fourth, choose a symbol for your pictograph. Decide on your scale. Draw your graph outline. Add columns and rows. Add a title. Add labels. Add information. Add a key. Excellent work, Percival. Nice work, everyone. Parents, teachers, and homework helpers, please be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. A like will really help the channel, so please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care, and remember, It never hurts to be nice.